Good evening friends, welcome to Alpha Technicals M. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. There is a bell icon also, you can please press the bell icon. Let us see what happened today in the market. As you can see, as we discussed yesterday, it has filled up the gap. Okay, you can see here there was a gap here which has been filled up by Nifty. With gap up opening, it has filled up the gap. Okay, and then all the buyers were trapped. Okay, then market came down and then it went up and then it closed just above high of 3rd June. 3rd June high was 10,175. Today's close is 10,176.15. Just 1 point above it has closed. It's a very tricky situation. Okay, if it breaks today's low, market will come down to 10,030 and then it will come down to 9,948, about 9,950, 9,911. It's a good support because market has broken. See, 1, 2, third time it has tested and broken the major resistance. Once the market breaks the major resistance, okay, it will act as a major support. Okay, major support itself is sitting on the major support. The second major support will be at around 9,900. You can keep it as 9,900 as a round figure. This is in our daily candle chart. What our Fibonacci and see here, we will draw the Fibonacci here. Okay. From the recent high to the low. So just above or 50, but it may reach, chances are there it may reach 10,412. okay, because if it's already filled up the gap, tomorrow it takes out the high, it may reach 10,427, then it can reach 10,648. if it sustains, it will fill up this gap and this gap and this gap. There is 1, 2, 3 more gaps are pending. Okay, this may not be exactly gap, I think it is covered, maybe this 1 and 2, these 2 gaps are pending. So one gap has been filled up. Let us watch because it may consolidate here also. We don't know. We have to check with different data points. Okay. In 1 hour candle, you can see there was a divergence in the morning. First 1 hour itself, it has broken and market has come down. Very clearly it has come down. Market is sitting on 21-day moving EMA in 1 hour candle, in 1 hour chart, and it is support, immediate support is 10,072, about 100 points down it will have a immediate support. If it breaks that, next support is 9953. even in the day candle we have seen 9950, 99 to 9930 something was the support. So in and around this place will be a major support. Only if 9,900 is taken out, market will come down. Still that time I think market may go up or it may consolidate. Okay, as per 1 hour chart. Let us confirm this with our options data of Nifty. This is options data for Nifty today. Okay, options data for Nifty shows this call writers have squared it off. Call writers are squaring off means that market will go up. Put writers have added their positions, that means market will go up. But in 10,200 also they have squared it off. Our next support will be at 10,100. As you have seen in the chart, it was 10,140. So 10,100 will be a support. Next major support you can see at 10,000 psychological figure. That also we have seen in the chart. Correct? So 10,100 and 10,000 will be a major support. For a major resistance, it will be 10,300. Okay, this is the major build-up is happening. This OA data as of today, it is little confusing. We will not be able to take any decision based on the OA data. Let us see what happens tomorrow. Okay, once the market opens, then what we have to do is we have to shift to our, we should have some system of trading where this is 15 minutes candle system. So in that you can find out the immediate support and resistance, and then as per that intraday you can play. Okay, so we'll go to Bank Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty the same case, it has opened up and then come down. Okay, again it is sitting on 55-day moving average support. You can see here it has taken a support here at 55-day moving average and then went up. So let us see what 1 hour chart says in Bank Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty it is above 55-day moving average. Okay, even in Bank Nifty there was a divergence. After the divergence formed, market has come down. Okay, here also see here this place it may consolidate. If it breaks the high, it will go up. Okay, so this place it is confusing. Says we can't take any major decisions with this 1 hour chart. Okay, in Bank Nifty today's OA data suggests, here also it suggests that call writers have squared it off and put writers have added. Okay, major resistance will be at 21,500. Okay, here the major resistance will be at 21,000, and then support will be at 21,000 and next support will be at 20,500. Okay, now let us check the other datas. Like FII were net buyers with 813 crores, DII were net sellers with 1238 crores. Okay, also we have seen some unusual, what you call, we'll check the global data. Global market, Nasdaq is up by 0.37%, European market closed 0.18, 0.4, it closed in negative. SGX as of now it is trading minus 18 points, 0.18%. Okay, this is global data. See, we will also discuss 1 or 2 stocks where there is a major unusual activity in the options data. You can see today is the Tata Motors. Okay, in Tata Motors you can see there is some unusual activity at 120 call and put. You can see there is an addition of 23,99,400 OA data out of the money, and there is an addition of 2,15,000. They have written, put writers have written here it is, I think they have bought. So most likely Tata Motors may touch 120 in this expiry. Most likely it may touch even 125, because again even in 125 you can see 18 lakhs OA data has been added here in the out of the money call side. Okay, in the put side 120 they are in the money, they have written put writing has happened. Again in REC also you can see in 105 there is unusually huge buildup of OA. So most likely it will touch 105, but at the same time put writing is also happened. So most likely it may touch 105. Let us see, wait and watch. We will go to our question and answer session today. Okay, open interest up, premium down, fresh short positions. Okay, open interest up, premium down, meaning fresh short positions has been created. So question of the day for today is open interest down, premium up, what is the answer? Again I am repeating the question, open interest down, premium up, what is the answer? Okay friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.